Hello, friends, and welcome back to Options to Get Rich. And I'm pleased to bring back to you a few more stock recommendations and look back at our past recommendations, also what we have done. But before that, let's quickly look at the disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. The views expressed here are solely mine and it's purely for learning purpose. So if you're taking any trade, it will be purely your own risk. So let's start and let's quickly look at some of the recommendations which I had done. I have done a few recommendations last week on the Saturday, and I had recommended you Sasta Sundar at 223, which has moved to 242. So we have got a healthy gain here of roughly, you can say, around 10% gain we have got in a week. Tata Motors I recommended at 334. It went all the way to 358 and now it has retraced to around 351. And I'm very bullish on Tata Motors. It should show you the 400 plus in a month or so. That's what I'm expecting from this particular stock. Then I had recommended you Power Finance Corporation at 120 with a target of 130 to 131, and it hit 132 and it has closed at 130. And if it sustains now in the coming week above 132, we can see it easily reaching to 140. But if it doesn't sustain above 132, then already, if you have not booked your profit, I would suggest you to book your profits. Another stock which I recommended is Canara Bank at around 160, which is currently trading at around 155 to 157 range. And this is 5 points down, but nothing to worry. The chart is still intact in a good way, and I expect it to reach 200 plus in the time to come. So you can hold on to this stock, nothing to worry. ABB is another stock which I recommended at 1650, and it's trading at 1648 this week. It's closed at 1648, but nothing to worry in this particular stock also. I am highly bullish on this stock, and if you see with the 1 year or 1.5 years perspective, you can see easily 3000 rupees coming in this particular stock. Okay, so as I always say, past is past. Let's quickly look at the week ahead and what it holds for us. Okay, so today we have seen some interesting things happening in metal sector. All the rally which we have seen in the last month, and then the rally fizzled out for the time being, and today we saw action again in the metal sector. So I have few recommendations from the metal sector, and let's quickly look these in our graphs also, so that you can understand the logic behind this, why these are being recommended. Okay, so let's quickly look at JSW Steel. So JSW Steel is at a very important level, you can see here right now. Let me draw a horizontal line for you. Okay, now this level is acting as a resistance here. You can see one time, two time, and this is a third time. And if you see on a smaller time frame, it has also made a cup and handle pattern. If you see, this is, you can say, is a cup, and this is a handle, small handle. So I expect it to reach in the days to come very comfortably again these higher levels. Okay, which is 774. So 731 is what it has closed at, and we can easily see 774, and you can keep your stop loss at today's candle low, which is 704. So with a 25 rupees risk, you can target easily 50 rupees, and if this is crossed, you can see this hitting easily a new high, which I certainly expect it to hit a new high. But let's take step by step, and from here we will be capturing this much profit in this particular stock. The next stock which I recommend you is Tata Steel, which is at 1158 now. Now if you see here, this is also a similar pattern here, exactly similar pattern like how we have been seeing in JSW Steel, and this level You can see here there was a gap here in Tata Steel, and right now this current candle has come to fill this gap. So this gap is getting filled and it's almost filled, and we can see new highs coming in the days to come. So what should be your target here? Again, as I say, this should be your immediate targets in a week's time, probably, which you can look into. It can go and hit again 1250. That is the first target which I can see, and it can go much higher than that also. Okay, then let's look at another stock, which is Murksson Pharma. Okay, this is Murksson Pharma, and if you see, it has given a very solid close today here, closing this complete range which it was trading for such a long time. It has crossed it comfortably, if you see, and if I draw the, so it has gone above this and closed it comfortably. It has hit a 20% circuit, and I expect the momentum to continue in the time to come. So it can easily go, and what should be our target? If we see, let's switch to weekly charts. Okay, so this is going into a new territory. Okay, this is going into a new territory, and you can see whenever the swing high is broken, it has given a good jump. So here swing high is broken again, we expect a good jump in this. You can see all the swing highs which are getting broken here. This is the first swing high, then this rally came, then this is the swing high, and then this rally came, then this was the swing high, then this rally came, and then this was the swing high, and now this rally. Okay, so we can continue to see this rally in the time to come. Okay, now another stock is Morpen Labs. Let's look at Morpen Labs also quickly. Okay, so if you see Morpen Labs also, this is the weekly chart, and the stock is hitting a new highs. Sorry, the stock has been hitting new highs. This is the first wave, then the second wave. This is the weekly chart, and this is the third wave. It took little correction here, and now it is again going up, so this is at 64.2 right now. So the first target you can expect here is to be 70, which I expect it to probably do in a week's time. 70. After that, we can, if you're a medium term to long term player, you can easily see 100 in this particular counter. You can easily see 100 in this particular counter. Let me move you to monthly charts. So you can see these are the monthly chart, and the stock is having a high of 166, 175 types. It has already hit those levels, and now we are seeing stock is making higher highs. So it's going to hit again similar kind of things. Okay, another index which I would like to look is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as we see here, let me clear all the drawings first. Okay, now this is Bank Nifty for you. You see here, this is a up move, then a down move, and then we see a candle here which is a sort of hammer on the monthly chart, and then we see a good up move, and right now this candle is being formed for this particular month. So let's move to smaller time frame. Let's go to weekly charts. This is the weekly chart. Okay, so you can see here the stock has been making, now started to make higher highs, lower lows. So right now it is yet to go high, and our Nifty is already at lifetime high, and our Bank Nifty is still lagging. So I expect Bank Nifty to catch coming days it has to catch up, and we can see probably 36,000 to 37,000 marks pretty fast in the time to come, because right now the lifetime high for the Nifty PC, sorry, for the Bank Nifty PC, it is placed at 37,708. So 37,708. So we can easily see these targets coming in the time to come, and Bank Nifty will go definitely above that. So you can make your positions accordingly. Okay. But always keep stop loss for safety. Okay. So that's it in this particular share, this particular presentation. We will look back probably in a week's time again. Thank you, and have a great week.